More, more, more!
Good morning, Archie. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. How you be doing, Mr. Man? You're wide awake for a Sunday morning. It's quite early. It's only just gone 7 o'clock. Are you wide awake? Are you ready? Yeah. Oh, goodness. When Bobby's wide awake, so are the parents. So I guess we better start the day.
So I couldn't sleep last night, so I've been up since 3:30 a.m. editing vlogs. It is now, let's see what the time is. It's now 7:16 and there he is. Wow, why are you so blurry, Mr. Magoo? Hi! So someone is very, very excited to be up today, aren't you? Yeah? You know it's the weekend. Come here, come on, come on. Hi. Hi, what? Careful of those table legs. No, there's nothing on the couch that you can steal. No, there's not. I can see what you're looking at. And you're not. Ah, you're not allowed to steal that. So, let's see how much editing I can get, because Daddy has gone back to sleep. Yes! Daddy's gone back to bed. I know. Poor Aaron felt sick in the middle of the night. So he got up and wasn't feeling very well. But then went back to sleep alright. But when I wake up in the middle of the night, I'm awake. So I tried to Archie's trying to talk to me in the background. I tried to go back to sleep for an hour, couldn't do it, so I thought let's get up and edit some vlogs. So I've edited 2 and I'm just starting on the 3rd one, so at least I'm doing something productive. I'm going to crash later and need a nap though. So Archie's new obsession is the fish. Hi. Yeah. Are you looking at Leo? Are you looking at Leo in the fish tank? Yes. He absolutely loves watching Leo in the fish tank. It's so cute.
So Archie and Pops are playing with the box, and Poppet's not impressed because Archie has a lot more strength than she does. She was in the box before and Archie just like rolled it over and she came flying out the end. Because she was not expecting that. You playing with the bunnies, Arch? Yeah, you be gentle with them. You be gentle. We need to vacuum this carpet, don't we? Nice. Oh, no man.
Oh,
good boy.
Good boy. Don't blow the raspberry.
What was that? What was that thing?
Ready?
Open.
Open. Oh.
You're just doing that to get a reaction out of Mummy now, aren't you?
Face. Ready for more? Ready? No, you don't slurp it up. Just eat it. There we go.
There you go. That's a good one. That's a good one.
Yeah.
Yeah, lip smacking good.
It's a funny story. My nan was talking to my mum about feeding and what, I don't know if I've told you this, and what she used to feed her kids, my mum, and she said they used to put apple wrapped in cheesecloth and the babies used to just suck on it, and my mum was like, cheesecloth? Who puts food in cheesecloth? Yeah.
I had honestly never heard of that before.
Yeah, who does that? Well, funny she should say that because we've got the modern version. Aaron's brother gave us a whole heap of baby stuff for Christmas.
He works at the local grocery store.
Yeah, and these are all from the grocery store. And this is exactly like a modern version of apple and cheesecloth. So you just put the fruit in and they hold on to it and suck it. So I think when we go to the shops, we might look for some nice fruit to put in. Apple, pear or banana are good. So we might do, oh, we have an apple. That's probably should be eaten very soon too.
True.
So yes, Mr. Moo just had a whole big feed of creamy banana porridge, which was good.
He's starting to do this silly thing in the bottle where he'll just chew the end rather than actually drinking. Stop. If you just lean back, it'll be better for everyone.
Oh, and he started blowing raspberries on his food.
Into the spoon. This stuff was going everywhere.
Hashtag parent life. But you're a good boy. You ate lots. Good boy. So this is a little bit exciting.
Yes.
What are we up to?
We're going to play 2 players on the Switch.
Oh my goodness!
Yes. Beans is asleep, so
Yes.
we thought we'd
Get
take
in
a moment to play some games.
Yeah! Somebody just woke up. Good afternoon, mister. It's lunchtime. Yeah, still a bit tired. Little bit. Oh dear. While you're awake, Mummy and Daddy might actually put away some washing. Would that be alright with you? Because we can't do it when you're asleep. Okay, because you're asleep in there. And Mummy can't do it while she's awake, while you're awake and while she's awake by herself because you cry. Time to put away 5 years worth of laundry. Not really, but it certainly seems like it. It's probably about 5 loads worth of washing. Frizzy cat, are you playing guard dog?
He's like, hey Ash, hey Ash.
Do you want to play? Do you want to play, Archie? Meanwhile, the other one is destroying a box.
Something new.
Alright, Mr. Moo, do you reckon you'd be good if we pushed you into the bedroom?
Yeah.
In your throne? Would thy Royal Highness be okay while we put away some washing? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, mere
I
mortal.
think that would be fine.
Yes.
So we have this child who is still slightly hungry. Aren't you, Beans? So we thought he's had a rust today, he's had lunch, he's had bottles. So we thought we might actually try
This thing.
wow, way too zoomed in.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really cool.
And they suck on it. And then it's got a cap to stop it. And it's got a cap to put over it if you want to take it somewhere.
Oh, nice.
And you get 2 extra bags.
That is excellent.
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool. So we're going to cut up an apple and see how he likes it. He's very keen on trying some apple. Aren't you, Beans?
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, we're stacked. We're ready to go. Let's see what the baby thinks of it. Are you ready?
Oh, yes, Arch.
Oh.
Oh, something you can hold and squish. Yes.
Yeah, you eat it.
Is this like the only thing ever you haven't tried to shove directly into your mouth as soon as you've grabbed it?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, numbins. What do you reckon, Arch? Yeah. It's like a giant pop ring.
Not that end, you goofball. And the bunnies are devouring the leftovers. Is that a nice apple? Yes. And Poppet's over here. She ran away with her piece. Oh, the bunnies love apples so much. And we're still entertained by the apple Meshsicle. Let's call it a meshsicle, like a popsicle,
yeah.
but a
Because it
meshsicle.
looks like one of those ring candy pop things.
It does, like a pop. What are they called? Pop.
I don't know what they're called.
What are they called? But he really likes it. So thanks, Nana. Your tried and true methods of apple in a cheesecloth still work today. So I'm trying to get a week ahead in the vlog. So far I've edited 5, but the first day that we come back I'm going to have 2. So this is the last one to edit for the week. And someone just won't sleep. Will you? No. So we're having a little bit of a play to exhaust us. And then we might try sleepies again soon. You've had a feed. You can't be hungry still. You're just watching Leo and being a little bit of a cheeky munchkin.
Someone just woke up. You're still a bit sleeps, aren't you, Bean?
Shelley, if you're watching this, we're watching Shelley's Home Life.
Time
We're very relaxed.
to chill with some vlogs. Yeah, just the big snuggles with Mama for a while.
Sorry, I pressed pause so the people can hear
Well,
us.
Alright, we better let you get back to it.
Ah. Oh, his happy little face.
Do you love to fly?
Wow. You say more, Daddy, more. More. You watching shows with Daddy?
Yeah. Watching people are awesome.
People are awesome.
Yeah.
Are you looking at all the amazing stunts that people can do? Look at that frown. He's like, how can those people perform those tricks? How can they do it? We're having some Schniggy pizza for dinner tonight. And this little moo keeps watching. Always watching.